In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Looker Studio page longer. Are you struggling to fit all your vibrant data and insightful charts into one screen on Looker Studio? Do you find yourself wishing you had just a little more canvas to work with? Well, you're in luck because today we're walking through a simple procedure to extend the length of your Looker Studio page, making it easier to accommodate all your reporting needs without squeezing everything into a tight space. First things first, head over to the Looker Studio website at https://lookerstudio.google.com/. If you're new to Looker Studio or haven't logged in recently, you'll be greeted with the option to use it for free. Go ahead and click on that. Looker Studio offers a robust set of tools without any charge for its basic features, which is wonderful for individuals and businesses alike who are looking to dive into their data without heavy upfront investments. Next up, you need to log in to access your dashboards. Enter your email address followed by your password. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Looker Studio home. This is where all your data magic begins. But for today, our focus is on tweaking the appearance of your reports, specifically extending their length. Navigate to your existing reports by selecting one from your Looker Studio homepage or dashboard. If you're following along with a project already underway, pick the report you wish to edit. If you're starting fresh, any practice report will do just fine for this tutorial. Once your report is open, look for the theme and layout option. This is your gateway to customizing the visual aspects of your report, including its dimensions, which we're particularly interested in today. Clicking here will reveal a menu with several customization options. Within this menu, you will find the Layout tab. Click on it to proceed. This tab houses the settings that control the structural elements of your report, including its size. Now to address the task at hand, making the page longer, you will see options labeled width and height. While both are important for adjusting your report's dimensions, our focus will be on the height option. Click on it to reveal the ability to adjust the height parameter of your report. Adjusting the height is as simple as entering a new value into the provided field. Consider the amount of content you need to accommodate when deciding on a new length. If you're unsure, experiment with different values to find what works best for your specific needs. Remember, it's easier to fill space with meaningful insights than to cram everything into too short a page. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully extended the length of your Looker Studio page. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance the readability and overall effectiveness of your reports, allowing you to present your data in a more organized and engaging way. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. While focusing on the length of your page, don't forget the width. Sometimes a slight adjustment to the width can make your extended page feel more balanced and visually appealing. And always keep your audience in mind. Make sure the final layout is convenient for their viewing, whether it's on a desktop, tablet, or mobile device. And there we have it, a comprehensive guide to making your Looker Studio page longer to better showcase your data and insights. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, effective data visualization is key to turning raw data into actionable insights. And with Looker Studio, you're well equipped to do just that. Go ahead, give your reports the room they need to breathe and watch as your data storytelling takes on new heights, literally. Thank you for watching and happy data analyzing.